Hey friends, welcome to the YouTube channel all about electronics. So in this question, we have been given the circuit based on the operational amplifier, and here we have been asked to find the gain of this given circuit, that is the V out divided by V in. So if you closely observe the circuit, then this portion of the circuit is basically a inverting amplifier. So let's say the output of this portion is equal to VO1. That means here this VO1 is equal to minus R2 divided by R1 times V in. Similarly, if you see the second op-amp, then it is configured in the non-inverting configuration. So the same input V in is connected to the non-inverting terminal. So let's say the output of the second op-amp is equal to VO2. That means here this VO2 will be equal to 1 plus this R2 divided by this R1 times V in. So in this way, we got this output voltage VO1 and the VO2. So similarly, if you see this third op-amp, then it is basically a inverting summing amplifier. So here, these outputs VO1 and the VO2, or the outputs of this first and the second op-amp, will be given as the input for this third op-amp. That means if we see the output of this third op-amp, then Vout is equal to minus R4 divided by R3 times this VO1 plus VO2. So now we already know the values of the VO1 and the VO2. So earlier we have seen that this VO1 is equal to minus R2 divided by this R1 times V in. And similarly, this VO2 is equal to this 1 plus this R2 divided by R1 times V in. That means if we see the overall output voltage, that is Vout is equal to minus R4 divided by R3 times this VO1 plus VO2, and that is equal to minus R4 divided by R3 times this minus R2 divided by R1 times V in plus V in plus this R2 divided by this R1 times V in. So in this case, these two terms will get cancelled out. That means eventually this output voltage Vout is equal to minus R4 divided by R3 times V in. Or we can say that the voltage gain of this amplifier, that is Vout divided by V in, is equal to minus R4 divided by R3. So from this we can say that for the given question, this A is the correct answer.